What is going on, everyone? It's Tay with SpecTechular Gadgets, and in this video I'm just doing a follow-up on a device that I unboxed around January, I think, and I did a video on it, and it's the 70Mai Dashcam. And a few viewers have asked how it has held up, and as you know, I got it off of Indiegogo, but you can now buy one off of Amazon for about like $60, I believe. So if you forgot, here's what the unboxing video looked like. And I did an unboxing and I did an installation and everything. So this is the dash cam in question, and we're gonna go ahead and take some time to look at footage and how the alerts work for this device. So sit back, relax, and take a look at the video and let me know what you guys think, or if you're interested in the dash cam. So there's no better way to do this than to let you come along with me as we test out some of the alerts and see just exactly how the dash cam functions. But first things first, I have to get all my stuff, my gadgets, and I have to take it with me, so let's go. Now that I have everything that I need, all that there's left to do is put on my Pumas and head out to the garage and get into Faye. Yes, I named my vehicle Faye. You know, you get it, Santa Fe. So her name is Faye. There she is. I have to wake her up and we can get ready to go. Now, I opted for the ADAS mod, and it has lane departure alert, but I noticed going at lower speeds, it does not alert, so it must be set at some speed to alert you.
SpecTechular Gadgets.
take a picture. So that's my quick follow-up on the 70Mai Dashcam. As you see, it's still running. As you see, the sticker is still maintaining through these heat wave temperatures that I've been dealing with. And the software and the app seem to be functioning just fine. As you see, I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.